PLC Network here at CES 2019, and we're in the Eureka Park section of the show, and specifically the French section of that show. And we have Louis here with Meersens, and with a new product here. What do we have sitting here right now?
Hi, James. Here you have a solution to check your environment that may impact your health, right? So it's a modular station welcoming biosensors in a modular and portable way in order to let you know if your environment may be a danger for your health.
Okay.
And
so it measures all sorts of different aspects.
Yeah, it depends. Given your concerns, you can measure air quality issues such as carbon dioxide, for example, or PM 2.5. You can also measure water quality, even food allergens, or even noise and UVs.
And that all, it's kind of like a combination between this device and also an app that you have.
Yeah, there's also an app, which is a bit like the Waze of health, Waze, the navigation app.
Yep.
Because we believe that the first biosensor is a human body, right? If you're allergic to pollen, let's say you come across pollen in the streets, well, obviously you can feel there is pollen. You cannot quantify it, but you can throw an alert to the community. So we're trying to build a community of whistleblowers here around the environmental issues first, and then if you have more concerns, like medical condition, for example, or if you just want to check the air quality in your living room, you're going to take the object, purchase the appropriate sensor, and check it with the app.
That's pretty useful. And we were actually playing around with it a moment ago, and the app alone, just in itself, is kind of interesting. It's kind of like Ring's neighborhood app, where everybody kind of communicates with each other, like Waze, like you had mentioned. And she had scanned a box of it looked like breakfast bars or something, snack bars, that claimed to be gluten-free. And your community of other users using the app had other information showing and proving that it wasn't truly gluten-free. So if you had that allergy, now you could have avoided any kind of issue later on by actually buying that product.
Exactly.
So you can learn more about the product much deeper than what the label claims, which is common anymore these days. These companies like to print anything on there. It's organic, sure. It's easy to print that word onto a box, but to actually be organic, that's important. You got to know that. And so the app is available right now.
Yeah, it is since a month ago, I guess, on Android and iOS. You can download it on the stores or find it on our websites. Meersens.com.
There we go. Okay. Yeah. And the device itself, how long do we have until we can actually see this enter the market?
Well, the device will be available around April or May on crowdfunding campaigns, like Indiegogo, for instance, and with an estimated shipping around September or October.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, and that website again?
Meersens.com.
And it is. What is it? MEERSENS.
Yeah.
.com. Make sure. You got to be specific about that one. Yeah. And there you go. Go check him out. Go learn more about the product. And Louis, it's been a pleasure.
Thank you, James.
And hopefully we see this enter the market sometime. It'll be nice to know the quality of our environment all around us.
Thank you.
If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.